Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing. Today I got another, I think, exclusive. I believe I'm the first YouTuber to get this thing on camera besides Pagani Design themselves. People always ask me what knife I use. Got turned on to these Chinese knives by a Redditor, but this is a Gonzo Firebird. I cannot remember it, but I will leave the link down in the description. I don't know anything about knives, but it's a good knife. It's been sharp, opens and closes fine, looks good, nice heavy duty. I like it. Anyway, back to what we're here for. This is an interesting box. I'm going to pause it real quick so I don't show my address. All right, there we go. I'm used to the black little flip lid ones. These are the boxes I'm usually used to from Pagani, so this is a little interesting. This watch came from the Trendy Men watch store. I have purchased from them many times in the past, and I've been happy with my stuff each time, so go check them out. I'll be leaving a link down in the description. Comes with a pretty nice seatbelt NATO strap. Look at that. It even is signed with the Pagani Design logo, but we're here for this right here, right? So let's see what's inside. Boom. There it is. It is the Pagani Design PD, I believe 1718. This is the Tudor Black Bay chronograph. And I gotta say, on first impressions, it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Man. All right. I'm going to unwrap this thing and get all the stuff off of it. And then we'll take some dimensions and give you some beauty shots. All right, give me a moment. All right, guys, so there it is, fully unwrapped. Didn't take that long to unwrap it. But yeah, I mean, it looks pretty darn good, I gotta say. Quality control was, dare I say, perfect. Alignment is good. Even the chrono second hand looks to be like spot on. I had no issues sizing it. I did size it for my wrist. I had to take out 4 links for my 7.5-inch wrist. So the bracelet might be a little on the big side, but this is a little bit of a bigger watch. So while we are talking about dimensions, let's get them. It's listed as 40 millimeters, so we'll see. Yeah, actually 39 and a half. Is that right? Yeah, 39 and a half bezel, and I mean the bezel, it doesn't protrude any from the case, so this is sub 40 millimeters, which is nice. Got female end links. So the lug to lug is 47.8, and that's a sweet spot. And the thickness with the crystal, 12.8. So this is, and 20 millimeter lug width, I'm almost positive. 20 millimeter lug width. And this thing is, the dimensions are great on this thing. And look at the side profile on it. It really looks like they took some time and tried to slim down the side profile there. Looks really good. Sign crown, screw down crowns, they actually worked really good. This screw in, screw out action of the main crown, very nice and smooth. Chronograph was functioning perfectly for the little bit of time that I messed with it. We'll just start it up and get it going. So the dial, I don't know if you can see it. It is a white dial, and maybe just a touch of silver to it. It does have like a little bit of shimmering, and I have to get it out in some sunlight for the review just to see what it looks like. But looking really good. You got the Pagani Design logo, UGS, so that stands for Upgrade Grand Series. And that's on the case back here, which is really weird. It's kind of got a green little tint to it. I don't know what that's all about, but 100 meters of water resistance, sapphire crystal, all that stuff. We will get through all the stats and specs and everything like that in the full review when I get a little bit more wrist time with this thing. But upon first glance, it's looking pretty darn good, I gotta say. It is pretty heavy though. That's one thing I noticed. Maybe it's just because I'm used to wearing this thing today. I don't know, but it does feel a little bit heavy. but that's not a bad thing. And I mean, I think it looks gorgeous. What do you guys think? Rivet bracelet, really happy with that. Upgrade, you know, the new clasp, pretty happy with that. It is, I have noticed that this is a little stiffer than normal. Maybe it just needs to be worn in just a little bit more, but not a deal breaker or anything like that. But otherwise, I mean, I believe this thing's like $75 on the sale right now. Pick it up, guys, because if you haven't gotten one of these, you know, the Pagani Daytonas, the Paul Newmans, or anything like that, they make a great watch with the VK63 or VK64, these Mecha Quartz Coronas for $75. It's going to be really hard to beat these as far as a deal goes. So yeah, definitely go check them out. I will be leaving their link down in the description. One quick glance at that crystal, a little bit of distortion, but it looks really good, guys. Looks really good. All right, thanks a lot for watching. Go check out my Instagram, all that stuff. I will be posting more pictures of this thing. Reddit as well, Reddit Chinese watches. Yeah, if you want to talk to me a little bit more about that, I'll be posting this today there too. So thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I will see you in the full review.